Lifetime performance, my ass. This filter is wasted. How could this happen? Hello and welcome to another video on my second wife, this beautiful 2013 Dyna Fat Bob. Calling my second wife Fat Bob seems wrong. I have to come up with another name. Let me try this again. Hello and welcome to another video on my second wife, this beautiful 2013 Dyna Esmeralda. In the last video I changed all the fluids on this bike, and today I want to address the air filter. To be honest, I'm a complete air filter virgin. I didn't even have it on my maintenance list, but one thing got my Sherlock Holmes mode activated. Let me show you the situation on the motorcycle. Look at this mess. This is engine oil on the cam housing sipping out of the air filter. Don't get me wrong, guys. I like my wife being sipped in oil, but this does not belong here. So let me quickly take this oil filter apart and see what we can do. Okay, I just removed this front cover from the air filter and there's already two question marks. Number one, this plastic ring here, it's just chilling here in the air filter housing, it's loose. And second, there is engine oil.
Absolutely necessary.
I will now enter this secret room in my basement where my first wife spent so much time. Honestly, I have no idea what she's doing in here, but it has something to do with these white machines. I don't want to get into any trouble, so I will wash my air filter and get the heck out of here. Well, I cleaned the air filter with soap and water, and the diagnosis after quick inspection of the clean filter is pretty bad. The actual filter material of this K&N filter is a cotton gauze, which is held in place by a wire mesh screen. Let me quickly show you what I mean. Here on this side you can see the wire mesh screen in very good condition. There is no problem here. But look at this. This filter is wasted. How could this happen? You can see the wire mesh here is completely destroyed and falling apart. And this is here on the clean side of the filter. So anything which comes loose here goes directly into Esmeralda's lungs. I don't want this wire to be inside of my engine. Okay, most likely small particles like this will be blown out of the exhaust. But imagine this wire gets stuck to the oily cylinder wall. So I will invest the equivalent of a nice whiskey bottle into a new filter, cross my fingers and hope that nothing bad happened so far. Okay, let me quickly tell you my theory how this filter got destroyed. Do you remember the loose plastic ring inside of the air filter housing? This plastic ring actually needs to be clipped into the air filter housing like this. The problem is the cheap plastic of this ring. So as time passed by, this plastic got really hard and I think that it shrinked by a hair. What I definitely can tell you that it does not clip on perfectly anymore. You can see how easy I can take it off. So this plastic ring just came loose and started to headbang inside of my air filter. Then the mesh starts to wear out and tiny metal particles are sucked into your cylinders and you destroy your Harley with a €1 piece of plastic crap. Pretty bad engineering. I should drop the company a link to my video. Let's see if they answer. I mean, this is the risk of using aftermarket parts on such important areas on your bike. Be careful. Enough of this air filter Hirnwichserei. If you watched this video to this point, thank you and consider subscribing. Help this channel grow and the universe will thank you by making your girl saying finally yes to her breast enlargement surgery. I will now do what Harley ownership is truly about. Driving my bike to the dealership. Cleaning the motorcycle. So, Esmeralda is shining again, standing on her own feet. The new air filter just arrived today. All I need to do is install it and it should be all fine. I hope you enjoyed the video. Support my channel by hitting subscribe and see you next time.